How to currency converter by Wise. Need to check exchange rates or convert money instantly? Wise makes it simple and transparent. Let's walk you through how to use the Wise currency converter. So on the Wise app or website, select the currencies you want to convert. So head over into the transfer calculator section, which you'd basically find on the home section. Select the currency that you want to convert into the other currency. So, for example, I want to convert Canadian dollar into GBP. So, I'll simply select Canadian above and then GBP below. And then go ahead and enter the amount of money that you want to convert. So, with this, you'd easily get the conversion along with the expected included fees that you'll need to pay for this specific transaction. So once converted, you can use your balance to send money abroad, pay into mobile wallets like GCash, or spend directly with a Wise debit card if available in your region. For best results, make sure to avoid multiple conversions to save fees, convert larger amounts to unlock lower percentage fees, and track exchange rates and lock them in when favorable.